Looking for even more control of your application inputs? Well, we've been working on that. Introducing the brand new John Deere Rate Controller 3. Redesigned to give you more capacity, a single setup location, and fast, easy installation. Now, you can control up to 2 products simultaneously, including liquid and anhydrous inputs in up to 16 sections. It comes with its own app, giving you more flexibility across multiple machines. So, you can set up, view, and adjust from just one location, giving you a streamlined experience, whether operating a planter with multiple inputs, a strip till rig, or pull-behind sprayer with Rate Controller 3. You also get all new run page modules, so you can set up your run page to view and adjust your Rate Controller 3 application from one screen. Configure your run page to monitor a planter applying 2 liquid products with ease, a John Deere first. A new harness and adapters makes installation easy on a variety of implements and adaptable to any configuration. The connectors offer a tight seal against the elements, and a diagnostic light shows early error alerts before accessing diagnostics in the app. The new Rate Controller 3 experience looks and feels like other integrated John Deere technology products. Ask your dealer about the new Rate Controller 3. Only from John Deere.